Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a little hard to tell, but this guy is in black forest green, very dark green color. In the sun it looks awesome. You do also have your chrome accenting up front here with your halogen quad headlights and your chrome bumper with your tow hooks. Coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look very nice. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, we got this 6-foot box. You have the 4x4 badging and the chrome bumper back here. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here as well. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and you do have your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here as well. The seats are very soft, very comfortable. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you're off, you're on your daytime running lights and your auto, as well as your in-cabin light control here. You also got your high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our speedometer right in the middle there. We can switch that over to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is control from right here, as well as you have your horn in the center and your cruise control options. You got your gear shift right there. And then in the center here, we do have our radio. So we have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all there. And you do have your media tab right here if you do have one hooked up through USB or aux cord. Presets down here, info, ABC. You also got your volume up and down and your power. You got the skips, mute, audio, menu, back button, and your tuner and browser there. You also have your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low, as well as you got this guy here for your power, as well as the circulation. You got your hazard lights, your AC and heat. Then you also have right over there, you got your where it's going to blow out of. You have your traction control, your tow and haul mode. Got some storage just in there. And in the center, you do have 3 cup holders with your armrest. You got some coin holders, as well as you have an aux cord and a USB plug-in. Close that guy, lift it up. You got another seat just under there. It does seat 6 people all together. Got your top layer and your bottom layer right there for your glove boxes as well. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your handle. You have the control of your windows and another handle here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can fold this up. You got some storage under there with your cup holders there. And you can seat 3 people back here. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2016 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.